It's Thursday. It's the 31st of October, which also means it's Halloween. And I'm camping on Dartmoor on my own. What could possibly go wrong? So for those that know Princetown, I'm actually parked up at the Plume of Feathers. They've got a camping area and loads of space for vans out the back of the pub. It's like £8.50 for the night, which is a bargain. I'm just about to go and have a little wander around Princetown, which is where Dartmoor Prison is. And it's kind of a spooky place at the best of times. So on a really foggy Halloween, let's see how spooky this place can actually get. I'm really sorry if this light is bad. I've brought some waffles. Well, actually these are choffles. If anyone knows anything about the low carb or the keto diet, these are like the biggest trend in the world right now. They are waffles, but they're made of grated cheese and egg, and I put a little bit of garlic powder in mine as well. If you fancy me doing a recipe on these, they are the most delicious thing in the universe. And they've got, I think they've got 0 carbs in. Cheese and egg. 0 carbs, am I right? Anyway, if you want to know my recipe, let me know and I'll do a real quick video on how to make those. They are utterly delicious. So I've cooked a couple of extra up at breakfast time this morning, and all I'm going to do is quickly fry up some mushrooms and have mushrooms and waffles for my tea. I need some comfort food in me after that walk. Look at that. Even my dinner looks spooky. Just fill the kettle and the water bottle. No spillages. Yes, it's gonna be a good day. Except I'm trying to put the little lid on a big bottle. Maybe not such a good day after all. But anyway, there you are. I survived the night on Dartmoor for Halloween on my own. Just done the breakdown, had a little tidy up, about to put the kettle on, very important task of the day, and then I'm going to cook us breakfast, and I'm ravenous. Oh, that's a happy sound. Alrighty, let's get breakfast. So I want 3 of these skinny little pieces of streaky bacon, smoked as always. I love that umami smoked flavour from bacon, so that's what I'm going with. So you want to toast your English muffin, yeah? You either want to toast it in the juices, the fat that's left behind from the bacon, or what I like to do to get it started is just spread a small amount of butter on there just to get it going a little bit, and then as the bacon has cooked and I can take the bacon off, then I can move this over onto the bacon fat to suck up all that tasty juice. We don't let flavour go to waste in this camper van. So I'm not buttering it as if I was going to make a sandwich. I just want that little bit of lubrication so it can start toasting it nicely. Okay, let's get our egg on as well. I'm just going to pop a little dab of butter in my egg ring. You don't have to use one of these egg rings. It's just that for the photos I want it to be nice and round. So that is what I'm doing. Then one of my eggs from my girls at home, I'm going to pop that in. And the key to this is to break the yolk. Give it a little bit of a swirl round as well. And that means it's going to cook evenly, properly, nicely, whatever word you want to insert there, feel free. Okay, now I don't want my muffins to burn, so I'm just going to take them off until my bacon's done, because I do want all that bacony goodness flavour on my muffins. It's a funny thing about camping, and especially, I'm going to say, camping on your own. I love going camping with Johnny and friends at festivals and stuff, but there's something very healing about going camping on your own. And my world has been incredibly hectic lately. And you know what? I really needed this. I needed to just get away, slow down, not think about anyone or anything else. Just think about being in the moment, about am I hot, am I cold, am I hungry, am I thirsty? Just those really basic kind of needs, I guess. I guess the trendy word for that these days is self-care. And I think for me, camping is definitely a way that I can soothe my soul, without a doubt. Right, my egg is looking nice and solid too, so I can take the ring off at this point. Let's get the bacon off to one side, and then I want those English muffins in that bacon fat, please, if you don't mind. Delicious. Oh, my egg's a little bit watery on top. Oh. Okay, so I reckon, was that at the bottom? Yeah, that'll do. And then we'll put our little eggy. And then I reckon we're going to do the slice of cheese on top of the egg, our bacon on top of that. And there we go, my bacon and egg McMuffin. And if you lot aren't salivating by now, I don't know what's wrong with you. Oh my God, I'm so looking forward to this. I'm not taking photos of this one. I'm going to have to make another one when I get home and shoot it properly, because damn, this girl is hungry. I'll be honest, I've definitely eaten worse food camping than that. It was very tasty. I'm not too sure about the cheese. In future I would probably leave that bit off, and it definitely needed ketchup. I didn't even think to bring ketchup, so please learn by my mistakes. Take ketchup with you when you make this. And worryingly, I've got enough to make 3 more. Be strong, Jane, be strong. So it is 8:32 in the morning, but I think I'm going to head on home. Johnny is off sick this week. He's knackered his knee big time. We're a bit concerned about that. So I think I'm going to go home and cook him a couple of these, and then I can get a nice photo for the thumbnail, because obviously that one just magically disappeared. So thank you for hanging out with me, and I've got another couple of videos in the pipeline, so now my part of the show has kind of subsided a little bit. I've got a little bit more time to come back to you guys. Oh, before I forget though, we are going to be changing our publish date from Wednesday to a Friday. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, then please, please, please subscribe. We've got some really exciting content and some exciting news coming up too, so make sure you're part of our little community and you don't miss out on a single thing. That's it, beautiful friends. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you're out camping still, even though the weather has definitely turned. And I'm going to catch up with you all real soon. Until then, mwah! Happy camping. Yes! She shoots. She scores.